we had a 30-foot pull type camper come in, having issues with the roof leaking for the last year or so. He tried to use some other sealants, just didn't work right. The floor or the roof plywood ended up getting soft. Turned out to be a complete tear off. Plywood clear down to the rafters. Had to replace some rafters. Put new rafters, new plywood back on, and followed Rexoseal's recommendation of just Rexosealing the roof and not putting rubber back down. So we did that. We put the sticky fabric back on, laid it down, and Rexosealed it 3 times, and turned out really, really nice. Nice, pretty. Looks like a regular rubber roof, but you can just see the plywood grains, you know what I mean? But yeah, really nice. And no leaks. Well, the most important thing that I found versus the product I was using is I have a couple days to put this on. If we can go get it washed, get the first coat on, even the second coat on in one day, I don't have to work 16 or 18-hour day to get it all done in one day. We definitely can come back the next day. We've even went back 1 week later and finished it after the rainstorms, and it turned, just like putting it on the next day. That's one big advantage to this to me is if we run into a problem, something emergency happens tomorrow, we can go do the emergency and come back and finish the coat next day. All it takes is a paintbrush, and they supply it with the kit and a big brush and put it on extra heavy the first time. So you go around all the edges and around all your vents and all that with one coat with the paintbrush. You lay your mat down and paint over it again. Let it dry for 3 or 4 hours, and come back and coat the whole roof with a big 12-inch or 8-inch wide brush. It's just like slopping on slop, but it's really smooths out nice and very easy. It's just time consuming. It takes extra time because you're doing a good job at it, but it does last forever.